Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So Brave Browser has received a version upgrade to version 1.87, and this latest version rolled out late yesterday in my region on the 12th of February. So to double check, as always, we have the update. We head to our main menu, Help, About Brave. Latest version in bold for the browser, 1.87.186, and the Chromium platform has been bumped up to the latest version, 145.0.7632.45. Now, that Chromium update will also include this week's security fixes that are rolling out. And for this week, we have 11 security fixes in total. And thankfully, once again, there are no 0 days that need to be patched or any critical flaws, but there are 3 high severity listed as use after free, heap buffer overflow, and inappropriate implementation. And then we've got a couple of medium and low vulnerabilities. So 11 security fixes in total have rolled out for the Chromium platform, which the browser is based on. Now, just to focus on what's new in version 1.87. And first of all, if you are using the Web3, that's the wallet and cryptocurrency side of things, there are add-ons, improvements, updates, and fixes taking place under the hood. So quite a lot going on in that department if you are using the wallet and the cryptocurrency side of things. And then if you are using Brave Leo AI, they have fixed consecutive citations that were not rendering correctly in Brave Leo responses. And then focusing on some general updates and improvements that have rolled out. Brave has added the ability to copy download link from the download panel. So if you right click on your download, you can now copy the download link, which I think is a nice move. And if we head into our settings system, and this is for Windows users using the browser on Windows, they've added the Show VPN tray icon setting on this page. Show VPN tray icon. When enabled, the Windows taskbar will show the tray icon for Brave VPN. So if you are using the VPN, you'll now see an icon in the system tray with it toggled on, and it is toggled on by default. And then once again, Brave says it's improved ad blocking, so that would be improvements to Brave Shields. It's improved ad block performance by adding resource sharing support, so nice to see that they are still improving the ad blocker, which I think is one of the best out there. And then for vertical tabs, there's quite a lot going on. So just to mention these quickly. First of all, Brave says it's improved pinned tabs layout when using vertical tabs. Next up, Brave has updated the mouse over target for the vertical tabs bar to allow for easier opening when vertical tabs are hidden. And they've removed extra padding on the left side window border when vertical tabs are hidden. And then there's a fix that's rolling out for the vertical tabs, where Brave says it's fixed unable to resize maximized window using top border when vertical tabs is enabled on Windows. So quite a lot going on for vertical tabs in this release. So if you were experiencing those issues using vertical tabs, nice to see that those have been addressed, those issues. And then Brave says it's updated the new tab page favicon to monochrome. So if we open up a new tab page, that previously used to be orange, that little Brave favicon in the new tab page, that's now black and white, so it's monochrome. And I actually think that's much better. The colored favicon could get a bit confusing if you are using the Brave search engine, which has the same favicon. So I personally think that's a small yet significant change. And Brave says it's fixed a crash which occurred when trying to load yahoo.com in certain cases. So any crash fix is important. And then just to mention some general fixes, Brave says it's fixed tab names being blank on Linux in certain cases. Brave has also fixed the blank title bar being displayed in full screen on macOS. And then Brave says it's fixed hidden elements on the new tab page being clickable when the search widget has focus. So guys, that's more or less So guys, that's more or less what's new in version 1.87 with Chrome 145. There are a couple of other general improvements and fixes taking place under the hood, but that's mostly what I thought you may be interested in. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.